Cambridge Internationalist Level Sociology, the family. Loss of functions debate. Loss of functions debate. One functionalist argued that the nuclear family is found in all societies, but the exact forms vary. In particular, extended families are more common in traditional societies because they can carry out more functions. The argument that links the process of industrialization and urbanization led to changes in families is called the fit thesis. This process developed because of the changed nature of work and economic productions from land-based, rural and family-centered organization to capital-intensive, urban, factory-centered organization of an industrial society. This led to a move from mainly family organizations to one dominated by nuclear families. And as industrialization spread, these extended families were separated and replaced by nuclear families because of two economic requirements: geographical mobility and labor flexibility. The loss of functions debate within the functionist perspective revolves around the idea that industrialization and urbanization have led to changes in family structures, particularly the shift from extended families to nuclear families. Here are examples illustrating the key points of this debate. Extended families in traditional societies. Example: in a traditional agrarian society, an extended family living on a farm may work together to cultivate the land, raise livestock, and support each other economically. The family unit in this case serves multiple functions, including economic production and mutual support. Pitt thesis and industrialization. Example: in the transition to an industrial society, there was a shift in the nature of work and economic production. Instead of primarily relying on land-based, rural, and family-centered organization, industrialization led to capital-intensive, urban, and factory-centered organization. This shift in the economic structure influenced changes in family forms, geographic mobility, and labor flexibility. Example: in an industrialized society, the nature of work often requires individuals to be geographically mobile, moving to urban centers where jobs are concentrated. Nuclear families, consisting of a more compact household unit, are better suited to this mobility compared to extended families. Additionally, the flexibility of labor demanded by industrial jobs may be more easily accommodated by smaller nuclear family structures. Nuclear families dominating industrial society. Example: in an urbanized and industrialized society, nuclear families became the dominant family form. The nuclear family, consisting of parents and their children, is seen as more conducive to the demands of an industrial economy, providing flexibility in labor arrangements and adapting to the challenges of urban living. Separation of extended families. Example: an industrialization spread extended families that were once closely knit and economically interdependent became geographically separated. The need for family members to move to urban areas for employment as well as the changing nature of work contributed to the breakdown of extended family structures. The loss of functions debate highlights the functionalist argument that the shift from extended to nuclear families was driven by economic and social changes brought about by industrialization and urbanization. This perspective emphasizes the adaptation of family structures to meet the evolving needs of society.